Did you know that IKEA are opening hotels? Well, I'm at the first IKEA hotel here in Gran Canaria in Las Palmas. This is a boutique house. We're here, bed and breakfast. There's 27 rooms. I'm going to show you the rooms. Everything in here is IKEA. All the furniture's IKEA. We're going to show you the room and all the furnishings. We're going to take you for breakfast where all the cutlery and the plates, of course, are from IKEA. And, well, you can let us know if you would stay in an IKEA hotel. This is an adults only boutique house. I'm going to tell you how much it costs for one night. And it's called Las Dunas de Santa Catalina Boutique House. Come on, let's go to IKEA.
We had one day and one evening in the first IKEA hotel in Spain. Well, it's a boutique house. It is just amazing. With inside all decorated with IKEA, outside with garden furniture and this beautiful pool that just lights up in the evening. Of course, all the sunbeds, everything is IKEA here, which is what the novelty is all about. It's such a cool idea. What do you think? Should there be more of these hotels? The garden area was just stunning, and I do believe this is the only IKEA hotel apart from the one that's actually in Sweden. I may be incorrect, but I can't find any other IKEA hotels anywhere. Do you know of any? So this could be an absolute exclusive. So let me give you the first look of the first IKEA hotel in Las Palmas. Come on, let's get to the room.
Right, the code was entered and here we are. He's already on the free chocolates. Well, you know you've arrived in style when you've got free chocolates, and he's got a few of them. So all the rooms are numbered 4M, 7M, 6M, 1M, 3M, and we are in 4M, which is that way. So come on, let's go. Squeaky floor. So I think we need a code to get in, so let me get that. So when you book this, you get an ID reservation and a code. So I'm hoping that the code is the same as the code to get in the door. Looking good. Follow me in to the IKEA hotel. Oh my God, it's like being in IKEA. Oh my word, it is like walking in to an IKEA show home. This is just amazing. IKEA bed, IKEA rug, even IKEA lights I can see. Look at this. Air conditioning's on, very, very cool in here. Little fridge with some complimentary water. You got a little desk, of course. Do I need to say that it's IKEA? TV there, IKEA towels. I wonder if they've left the labels on. Let's have a look. Oh no, they've snipped them off, look. They've even got one of those little breakfast trays, look. This is what the kids eat dinner on in our house. Right, let's have a look at the bathroom. Right, into the bathroom. Nice big walk-in shower, some pink IKEA towels. These are the good quality IKEA towels as well. These are the good ones. And I'm wondering if this is an IKEA sink and tap. And of course, that is definitely an IKEA mirror. You can just tell. Tea and coffee making facilities. Some more water there. And I don't know what this is. A nice big fluffy IKEA blanket. Wow, look. Wow. We've got a little terrace as well with some IKEA garden furniture. This is crazy. Overlooking this beautiful pool area. Look at that. That's madness. So I'm going to let Jack get settled in there. I'm going to sit here. This is the foyer, if you like. There's some IKEA furniture here. And we're right next door to the restaurant as well. We've got breakfast here, a continental breakfast. I can't wait to show you around this place. I'll show you around all the pools and the grounds when there's nobody there. So I'll do a complete tour of this place. But so far, I actually feel like I'm in an IKEA showroom. It's so surreal, but very, very different. What do you think?
So what are your first impressions on the IKEA hotel? For me, I think it looked absolutely fantastic with that flat pack feel and everything IKEA, but at the same time, very bougie, if that's the word you use. I really like all the IKEA furniture. If, like me, your house is full of IKEA stuff, well, it's home from home. But is this what you'd like? Is this where you'd stay? Or is this just a quirky thing? I stayed here here because I thought it was something a little bit different. And like I said, is this the only IKEA hotel other than the one in Sweden? Because I can't find anything anywhere. I know there were plans for IKEA to open hotels, but I think this is the first one they've done. And as always, Mr TravelON is bringing you an exclusive. I had an absolutely amazing sleep, so let me take you on a wander around this place and, of course, grab some breakfast.
This is such a unique hotel and it is quirky, but at the same time it is that boutique feel. It's beautiful just sitting here in the little garden areas with these gorgeous trees, the little IKEA plants, and of course the IKEA light and all the IKEA touches as well. So although it is a flat pack cheap brand when you buy furniture, and the furniture is flat pack, it really does add that sort of nostalgia to it, and I've really enjoyed it. I'm going to tell you how much this costs for one night with a continental breakfast, because I think it's going to go up as more and more people discover this, and I think people will stop here like I did, literally just because it's an IKEA hotel. And why not? We all love a bit of IKEA. The bed was super comfortable. I've got to find out the name of the mattress so I can go to IKEA and get one. It was so soft, and I just loved all the little touches, everything from the towel to the little breakfast table that was IKEA. It's a little bit gimmicky. It's like going to a retro style hotel, but IKEA is still here, if that makes sense. But I did like all the touches. It was very funny to be here, and we've really enjoyed our time. If you were coming here for a few nights as well, you've got this beautiful pool area and a heated pool as well, so you can chill out, and it is a break away from everything. It's so peaceful here, and you're literally 5 minutes away from the Las Palmas main beach as well. And if you've got a car, it took us 7 minutes to get right into the center of Las Palmas, to the big shopping center, so you're perfectly located here. The only downfall to this place is that it's in Las Palmas and not in a tourist resort. I think it should be in a tourist resort, to be honest. What do you think? And there's one more thing this place has to have. I am getting completely lost around here trying to find my way around because there's no arrows on the floor. They need the arrows on the floor, which are going to lead you to something where you're going to impulse buy something for the kitchen. The other thing that they're going to have if they're going to be an IKEA hotel is none of this stuff. We want hot dogs and we want meatballs with gravy. That has got to be a must. They're going to have to start doing IKEA lunch. It can't just be bed and breakfast.
On the subject of breakfast, come and join me for breakfast at the first ever IKEA hotel in Spain, where of course it's like being in an IKEA house, opening the drawer to all the IKEA cutlery and plates. Breakfast is a continental breakfast included in the price. You get all your coffee, and what a place to enjoy breakfast, just sitting over, looking at the pool, of course, on your IKEA table and chairs. I was actually really impressed with the spread. Although there was no hot dogs or meatballs, they had a full selection of meat and fruit, and of course all your pastries and your cakes as well. I got straight into the cold cuts and the fresh salmon and had a protein filled breakfast. I did however add a little bit of bread cut with an IKEA knife and popped into the typical hotel toaster. You can't beat it. So come on, let's see what breakfast is like at the IKEA Hotel Las Palmas, Gran Canaria.
Jack's over there getting stuck in, and what have I got? Well, it's a continental breakfast, but it's got all my favourites. A little bit of salmon, a little bit of ham, a little bit of pork, beautiful fresh bread, and there's some fruit and nuts and everything up there as well, which I'm going to go for seconds for sure. But let's get stuck in. And beautiful views behind me as well of the pool. Got myself an orange juice and got myself an IKEA fork. So let's get stuck in. The best meat in the world. Jack's gone full on at continental. He's burnt his toast, he's spilt his hot chocolate. And as I said, this is why it's adults only, but look, even the napkins and the napkin holders are from IKEA. This has to be one of the healthiest breakfasts I've ever had. Look at this, fresh strawberries, fresh blueberries, dragon fruit, raspberries, which you don't usually see in the Canary Islands. Well, you do, but they're mega money in the supermarkets. And blackberries as well. That is beautiful. I am going to be ready for the day today. These are super fresh, so tasty as well. And I don't think I've ever tried this before. Delicious. So there you go. That was breakfast at the IKEA Boutique House. On the wall up there it says Boutique House. It is a hotel, but they call it a boutique house. Have you ever stopped in a boutique house? Oh, I'll tell you what, the breakfast is really, really good. There's only one thing that it's missing. Meatballs, gravy and hot dogs. If they put that on the menu, I'd be right in there. So there you go. That was the IKEA hotel in Las Palmas. What do you think? Will you be stopping here? And I'm going to find out if there's any more IKEA hotels around the world. For now, I'm going to chill out. I might even go for a dip in the heated pool. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to like, follow and subscribe, and let me know where you want me to go next time. Maybe I'll find some more unique hotels. I tell you what, if this carries on, I could be the new Walk with Tim, couldn't I? That man is an absolute legend. He is doing so well. Anyway, from me, Mr TravelON, it's goodbye, and I hope you enjoyed the IKEA hotel in Gran Canaria, Las Palmas, the first in the Canary Islands. See you later.